We are venturing over to where I believe there could be a big bass. I need to beat Mike. Ah! Welcome back to another episode of the Googan Squad. Today we are fishing in Mexico. We're fishing a small creek, crystal clear water. We're not sure what species land there, but the loser has to drink. Mike, what's the loser got? What are you gonna have to drink, Mike?
Let me show you what you're gonna be drinking, Perry. Let me show you.
Mike's gonna show you what he's gonna be drinking.
Right here, boys, the loser is gonna have to drink a 40 ounce of Tecate. We're doing creek fishing. That's my specialty. Perrick is about to get his ass kicked. Biggest fish wins, 1 hour. It's gonna be a blast.
I'm taking Mike and Perrick to a creek just down the street from this ranch. It's super nice. I mean, gorgeous creek. There should be bass and bluegill, maybe like tilapia as well. And I'm gonna make sure that they don't cheat between their little rivalry that they have. I'm gonna make sure that they don't break the rules. Here are the rules.
Biggest fish wins.
Okay, biggest fish win.
We gotta weigh it.
No live bait.
No live bait. Only Googan lures.
Only Googan. Oh!
Okay, that's fine.
All right.
I only throw Googans, so
I have the regular scouts in my box, but no Scout Juniors, so plan B, I'm gonna go with the Flair signature bait. Put on a Ned rig. Aha! Rattling Ned. Hear that rattle? Call those fish in from this creek. Don't know what's in there, but I bet they'll eat my favorite color in among Googan Baits, dirty rice. You guys know I like my rice.
always waiting on my boy Mike over here. Did you say what you were using?
Yeah, Rattling Ned. Change the rules on me, so now I gotta...
Longer lock. Yo, don't listen to me. I have secrets. Juan is the judge. I'm super excited about this challenge. When Mike and I get together, it's just super competitive, and I know that I'm gonna win. So 40 ounces, how's that gonna do for you, man? Because last time we did a challenge, you had 2 White Claws and you couldn't walk. So how's that gonna...
I mean, if I was gonna lose, it might be bad, but I literally 0% chance I'd lose to you right now.
All right. Welcome to the jungle of Mexico. What do you guys think about this spot?
I am very worried that there are some dangerous creatures that can kill me out here, I'm not gonna lie.
Listen, you better hurry up because that dude is already going. So 3, 2, 1, go. Here's the rule. If you don't remember, whoever catches the biggest fish, so I gotta see it. You guys gotta show me the fish. All right, and then I'm gonna judge who has the biggest fish.
Oh, there's a bite, there's a bite, there's a bite. Got her! Oh, It's over for you, Perrick. It's over for your ass.
Creek looks good.
Very shallow, very clear. I'm getting a lot of nibbles right now. I think they're little bluegill, but... Oh, hold on, here's another nibble. With this little fish.
Changing spots, changing spots.
All right, my strategy is I'm gonna follow Perrick, because if there's gonna be a rattlesnake or a venomous spider or something, a scorpion, it's gonna hit him before it hits me. So let's go.
The teeniest, tiniest piece of plastic imaginable. It's actually gonna be kind of hard to get on the hook. Like that. There we go. Little tiny bug imitation. Let's give it a shot.
Stay off the edge. I'm gonna get one right here. Watch this, bro.
Dude, if you
I did. I cut it. It's real small. Oh! Oh, that was a bite. As small as I could. I'm about to go. What's Perrick get? Oh! Ah! Let's go!
You can always tell when Mike has a fish because you could hear him from 40 miles away, and he is over there and he caught one. How big, Mike? Woo!
we were about to move, and Mr. Mike comes through, and he's using a Googan bait. I can see.
Yep, that's the dirty rice Rattling Ned right there.
Look at that. Ingenuity, huh?
Yep. So we gotta estimate the weight. What do you think? Like 2 ounces?
Yeah. Oh yeah, for sure.
2 ounces?
Yeah, for sure. 2
All right.
ounces.
Well, This will put me in the lead, but the challenge is not over yet. We've still got like 40 minutes or so.
Yeah, we're gonna go to a deeper pool. We were just talking about moving.
Yeah, we're about to move. Maybe one last cast. Fish number 1, guys.
Look at that. That's a nice little loogie.
See ya.
All right. You got the lead.
Yes, I do.
Let's go.
You, Parrot.
I heard Mike catch one. The creek is very shallow, and I only saw a couple fish, or like a decent amount of fish in one large pocket. So we're gonna work our way towards the dam. Hopefully there's some deeper water and some bigger fish. Mike, you get one? How big?
He's winning.
2 inches?
What you got?
2 pounds?
What you got, Perry? You got any?
Yeah,
It was 2 pounds.
it's 2.
Yeah.
2 what?
2.
2.
That's all you need to know.
All you need to know, dude.
2.
It was 2 ounces, so obviously
Oh, wait.
anyone can win. It was 2 ounces. I got a 2-ounce bluegill, but hey, I'm in the lead right now. This guy hasn't even got any bites yet.
So we're heading up the river to a deeper pool. It should get better as we go up because we're gonna get closer to the dam.
Sweet.
And so bass should be there and other type of fish to catch for these guys.
Woo! It's go time.
So Mike is taking the most, I guess, efficient way to catch fish, but I don't know if it's gonna pay off because Peric's still sticking to the lunker log, a full lunker log. Might do some modifications to the rattling net, so he probably catch a bunch of small fish. Peric is just going for that one big one.
There we are, baby! Woo! That's an upgrade. That's an upgrade.
For sure.
This is at least 2.5 ounces. Check this out, boys. Woo! Rattling Ned on the darter head. Look at those beautiful orange colors on this fish. Nice little blues. Oh, nope, that's my Ned. Took me a long time to make this bait. Always gotta lip your fish as a bass fisherman. Peric's getting very worried. Peric, do you agree about 3 ounces on this fish? 3 ounces?
No, where's the scale?
It's my back. You gonna make me weigh a 3-ounce fish, bro? Yeah. Here's the judge. What do we think here?
All right. Oh, definitely 2.5. 2.5 ounces.
That's fair.
For sure, for sure.
Okay, that's fair. 2.5 ouncer. I'm upgrading slowly but surely. All right, fish number 2. Beautiful Jungle Creek in Mexico. Let you go, buddy. Boop. Back into the clear waters. There's more fish down there, so I'm gonna get back in before we move to the final spot in this challenge. That's patented 1-rod slingshot from the bank.
Lots of small fish, not any big fish. We're headed to the dam, which is gonna be our last spot of the day. That's where I'm gonna catch my bass on the lunker log. It's gonna be really textbook, really easy. Here we go.
This guy over here, so confident. He's like, oh, Mike, any challenge you want to do, let's do it. For the 40 ounces of Tecate, I said, let's do my specialty, creek fishing from the bank. And here we are now. He's at 0 fish, I'm at 2. I think he's looking good.
I think Peric is under pressure, but I'm not gonna lie, my little amigo, he can come up with something. He surprised me once or twice before on these Googan squad challenges and videos. So, you know, I'm not gonna say Mike stole the show yet. We still got we got about 23, 22 minutes. So we're heading to our last stop. It's gonna be the spillway from Lake La Boca, and it should be deeper. Bass should be there, largemouth bass. So hopefully Peric gets a chance to catch one and see what Mike do after that.
I might be in a little trouble. My bluegill mean nothing now, because this is a really deep, legit looking fishing spot. There could be 5-pounders in there, who knows?
There's 5-pounders in here, there's 6-pounders. If there's 6-pounders, there's 8-pounders. Might as well rig up the heavy stick. The only bait you need anywhere in the world, in my opinion, is a little juicy jig. Because bass will eat this jig in Mexico, all the way up to Maine, and all the way to Seattle, Washington, or even California. A little juicy.
We gotta land him. This one's gonna seal the deal. Come on. Come on. Stay on the hook. It's a good one. Oh, at least 2 pounds. Dude, this, oh no, he's in the rocks. He's in the rocks. What the hell? Okay. Get up here, let's go! Let's go, baby! Woo! That's the game winner right here, baby. Woo! Look at the belly on this fish. Beautiful hook set. That one right here is gonna seal the deal. Look at that hook set. Rattling Ned, dirty rice, 1/16 ounce mushroom head. These guys smell a little different. I like it. Get her unhooked. Perfect. Nice little largie. Gotta get her on the scale because we still have time. Peric could potentially catch something. I don't think he will, but just to be safe, we're gonna weigh this fish.
We are venturing over to where I believe there could be a big bass. I need to beat Mike. Somehow we ended up catching a bass that was a pound. Not even a pound, half a pound. We'll be fine.
Here we go, JC. Official weight. What do we got?
Official weight 0.81.
All right.
So almost a pound.
Almost a pound.
0.81.
Correct.
All right.
We'll take it.
We got 2 minutes for this challenge to be over. Here comes my little amigo. He doesn't look very victorious. What's going on? You broke off again? You broke off again.
I lost my jerk bait. I lost the challenge. I suck. And I know that I'm gonna win. That's where I'm gonna catch my bass on the lunker log. It's gonna be really textbook, really easy. Mike's gonna show you what he's gonna be drinking. I lost my jerk bait. I lost the challenge. I suck.
Mike! Game over!
You lost, buddy! What happened?
Got a 2.5 pounder.
No, he did not.
Yeah, on that pool back there.
Are you kidding me? On the jerk bait.
Is that for real?
Yep.
Did you size fish it?
No, I threw. There was only one deep pool, one cast in there, twitched it once, came up and ate it.
You see they're being serious? Oh, dude, I can't believe it. I thought I had that in the bag.
Pop this bad boy open. Sorry, buddy.
Oh, warmer. Drink the whole thing. Right here, one sitting.
He made the time limit?
Yeah, he did.
Dude, I thought for sure I had this one. Can't believe this. Luckiest 2.5 pounder of his life. Oh, wait, what? Oh, did I win?
We're just kidding. Good job, buddy. Good job. We were just kidding.
Oh, dude, you guys had me going. I actually thought he had it.
All right, Prey. One go. Come on.
I got enough time to finish this until we get to the rodeo place.
That's what I'm talking about right here.
Good job, homie.
Cate Light, 3.9%.
There we go. Yeah, chug that down. We're about to do some something a little dangerous. I want you to.
I just have to finish this.
Yeah.
Give me 10 minutes. I'll finish this Cate.
Okay.
We'll be ready for the next Googan Squad video, which is gonna be very exciting.
I'm scared for you, bro. You're gonna be slightly impaired, which is not ideal for this situation.
I feel like it's ideal to be slightly impaired for this situation. Hopefully, you guys enjoyed this creek mission. I suck tonight, so me and nice job.
Thank you. Catch you guys in the next one. Hope you enjoyed. See ya.